Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of class 3 EVS. And we are learning about creepy crawlies. This is part 2. We have already started part 1, and in that part 1 we have learned about the parts of insect body. In that we have seen the insect body is divided into 3 parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. On their head they have pair of eyes, pair of antenna and one mouth. Mouth may be like tube-like structure. If it is tube-like structure, it is called proboscis. Then middle part of the body is called thorax, which has 3 pairs of legs, that is 6 legs are there, and 2 pairs of wings are there. At the bottom they have abdomen, which is segmented, means divided into parts, and contains their internal organ like their heart and their digestive system. This was about last session. So are all these insects are useful to us or harmful to us? So these insects are divided into 2 categories. One are harmful, one are useful. So we are going to see which are the insects that are useful to us. Useful means they are not giving something to us, but in other ways, means how they are helping to us by the way they are living on their own life cycle. So there are some insects like ants are there, honeybees are there, some termites are there. So these are the insects that help us, okay, that help us in our day-to-day life. So we are going to discuss about them. So first one is about ant. You might have seen ant everywhere. They are generally of 2 colors. One is a black, one is a red. Or is there any other color that you have seen? No, it is not possible, because there are only 2 colors of ant, okay, that is black and red. And they crawl also. Sometimes they fly. When early stage of their life cycle, they fly also. They have wings also. So how these ants help us? Whenever we see ants in our house, our mom used to drive them using our broom and all that. Then how they help us? So they help us by eating the eggs and the larvae of some troublesome insects. Eggs means some other insects are there that are not useful to us. If they lay eggs, their eggs will be eaten by these ants. Or some harmful insects are there that are also eaten by our ants. So by this, ants are very useful to us. As you can see on your screen also, they are moving and you can count their legs also, how many legs they have. When early stage of their life, they fly also. And which troublesome insects are there? Like flies are there, bedbugs are there, cockroaches are there. So these insects, larvae means their eggs are when they are coming out from the egg. That situation, that time, that is also eaten by the ants. Got it? Now, honeybees. I love to eat honey, and I think you also. Honey is so sweet and it is very healthy for us also. So likewise, like ant found crawling on the ground here and there, okay, and they are in which color? Black and which color? Black and red color. So likewise, honeybees are also there. Honeybees live in colonies. They also live in colonies, and what they do, they fly from one flower to another flower, and they have a mouth. It is like a proboscis, you can see in that picture, and from that tube-like structure, they suck the nectar from the flower. Nectar means sweet juice from the flower, and that juice they will deposit in their hives. Hives means the place where they use. It is called honeybees hives. Okay, they store it there and then we take it out from them. That is the honey for us. Now, this might be favorite insect of many of you, right? It is not mine, but maybe of yours. So this is cockroach, and we all are afraid of it, right? But it is just insect which has a huge pair of antennas, then 3 pairs of legs, 2 pairs of wings, as all insect has. But how it is useful to us? It eats dead insects and animal. When these cockroaches find any other dead animals or insects, they will go and feed on them. So by this way they are helping us. That's why that is for the dead animals. So we should not be afraid of cockroaches. Now house flies, whenever you will see some sweet dishes or some dishes are there, you will see these kind of flies are roaming here and there and here and there. But how they are useful to us? So house flies eat and recycle garbage. As one fly is there which is eating, so they will eat and using their excretory system, they will extract the useful material for the plants. So they will recycle. They are recycling the garbage of our day-to-day life or our society, and they will eat anything. You put anything in front of them, they will eat. Eatable something. Okay. So this was about house flies. Now ladybird. You might have seen these ladybirds. This kind of insect, it will eat down a complete leaf or complete tree at a time. But they are helpful also. How they are helpful? Because they will eat other insects also. As you can see in that figure, it is eating other insect, which is damaging the plant or tree. Now, termites. This is termites. So termites are generally found on dead trees or the part of a tree which is decomposing. There you might have seen these kind of insects. These are called termites. Understood this one? So we will repeat once again the useful insects. So first useful insect is ant. They live in colonies. They are black and red in color. They eat eggs of other insect, or they eat larvae of other insects like flies, bedbugs, and cockroaches. Then we have seen honeybees. Honeybees also lives in colonies. They are also kind of reddish and black in color. They collect nectar from flower, store in their hives. Okay, then we have your favorite insect, that is the cockroach. And what they eat? They eat dead insects and animals. Then we have seen houseflies. They also eat and recycle garbage. Ladybirds, they also eat other insects that are damaging to our plants. Then termites are there. Termites eat dead plants. Okay, dead trees and plants are there that they will eat, so it will help them to recycle. But all these useful insects are not that much useful. Termites, bees, these are some harmful also. So we are going to see some harmful insects, because some insects are there, they spread diseases like cholera, malaria. These kind of diseases are also spread because of this insect. So first one is mosquito. When you are sitting in your balcony or somewhere in the evening time, suddenly you start doing this and that, because a small insect are coming and they are just start biting. So those are mosquitoes. So mosquitoes are very dangerous, but they are insects, so that's why we are studying them. So mosquitoes are also having that same kind of structure: 6 legs, wings, antennas, proboscis. But if that proboscis touches us, we might have dengue or malaria. Understood? So mosquitoes spread diseases like dengue and malaria. Now housefly also, it is sitting here and there, so it uh, jumps from one place to another. So that is why it also spreads some diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dysentery also. Then there is a cockroach. So cockroach also carry jumps from one place to another place. And generally you might have seen cockroaches are found in the basins, some utensils and all that. So that is why if they are coming from some washroom utensils and going on uncovered food, so they will carry some diseases along with them. That is why they are also not our friend. They are also harmful insect. Understood? Bedbug. If you are sleeping on old bed and suddenly your skin starts scratching, or you have some itching kind of structure, rashes on your skin, that might be because of bedbug. So bedbug is a small insect which hide themselves with the cloths, and if it bites to your skin, you might have some itchy skin or rashes. So this was about bedbug, as you can see in that figure. Louse. Those who have long hair, I don't have. Those who have long hair, they might be facing this problem. Lices. Okay, these lice attach themselves to the scalp or the hairs of human. In Marathi is called oo, or हिंदी में इसको जूं कहा जाता है, जिससे खुजली भी होती है ना. That is this louse. And when many are there, it is called a lice or lysis. So they feed on the blood. So they are not just holding our hairs, they are sucking the blood out of our skull, means our skin. So they also cause itching and infection to a scalp, that you can see in that figure. The itchy red signs are there on the scalp. So that is why everyone should bath and have shampoo and have a proper oiling to your hairs. Okay, got it? This is not good. Then termites. If they are eating dead plants, that time they are good. But if they are, instead of a dead plant, if they start eating our furniture or our wooden property, then are they good? No, so they can damage our property also. So that is why they are harmful. Now, how to keep these insects away, or how we should keep ourselves away from them? So we can use some insecticides, some chemicals. They are called some insecticides or pesticides to destroy these kind of insects. Harmful insects, we are going to repeat it once again. Harmful insects. Why those are harmful? Because they spread diseases. Mosquito, which disease mosquito spreads? It spreads dengue and malaria. Houseflies, it cholera, typhoid and dysentery. Cockroaches, same diseases it also carries. Bedbugs, itchy skin and rashes. Lice, itching and infection. Termites, damage of wooden property. And for them, we are going to use some chemicals. Those are called insecticides or pesticides. Understood? I hope you all understood the useful insects and harmful insects, and hope you all will stay away from those insects. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay home.